Alright guys, how you guys doing? By now, you've probably seen all these type of clouds that have been popping up all over the world. Am I right? Of course. I think it's part of this place, wherever this place is. And when it comes to shot the year, they've been around since 1962. You say, how can that be? I've only been witnessing them in the last couple of years. Now, I'm in the same boat. I only started to see these clouds until February, March, and that's when all the sky phenomena started for me. You know, and stuff like that. And to put to prove it, there's the book there, 1962 World Atlas, and there's the clouds there, as you can see, clear as day. Well, I got further proof. You sitting yourself down for this? There you go. 1962, 4th edition. Now, what's weird about this book, it's seemingly be predicting the weather and the types of clouds that are in the sky, 100% accuracy. Now, the publishers of this book, Reader's Digest, had to be in the know, so to speak. Last year, I don't recall seeing all these clouds pre 2018. I'm a photographer. I do sunsets, landscapes, and of course, clouds will be in the sky, you know what I mean? Well, the way I see it, iridescent cloud, which is the rainbow cloud, Sirius clouds, that's the one that causes the sundogs, halos, cumulus, that's the one that causes all the heat from above when the sun's hitting down, and cirrostratus, that's the one that causes the rain, alto cumulus, and all that stuff, yada yada yada. Well, like I said, how many are you familiar with all these clouds? I mean, really, this is the most bizarre, puzzling thing. It's just weird. All these clouds are totally foreign to me. I mean, it's scary when you see this type of cloud. But, like I said, I am no cloud expert. But I know, in my memory, and I've never seen these types before. I mean, whatever that might be, I'm not too sure why I haven't seen them before. I mean, we all know. But as for the scientific reason, I don't have a clue. I mean, I always thought there was only a few different types of clouds. You know, I mean, from my memory anyway. I mean, that's the only ones I can remember seeing. I mean, my first experience with serial cumulus was back in, I would say, March. You know, I was on the way to work, and then all this weird cloud came out of nowhere, and it was this pattern, right? So yeah, really low it was. You know, it was freaky to see, and I thought, I was wondering why am I not seeing these clouds before. And time went by, all these other clouds started to appear. You know, every single one of them, all in order. Then one day, I came across this book. I was plainly out to sea. Well, the first time I walked past it wasn't there, and then the next minute it was there on the shelf. So it would have been very hard not to miss. You know what I mean? So I mean, I possibly meant to find it. I don't know. And that's the mystery I'll never know. Well, like I said, all these type of clouds do not turn up for me until after March, April, and I was only in my Mandela effect journey for a couple of months before that. It was January of that year when I came away. But this is all alien to me, as it were. I mean, I've just puzzled by this book seemingly accurately predicting fake clouds, sky trail clouds, you know, but so whatever they're doing up there has to be happening for a long time. You know what I mean? Because when I see it, I watch old movies, like 1940s, 1950s, all that stuff, and I've got these type of clouds in the background. And I thought, how can that be? I mean, it's just weird to me. I mean, what is it? I mean, I see the sky trails going back and forward all the time. You know, some look holographic in nature, and some look transparent, and some look totally invisible. You know, and sometimes there's a little orb going flying past as well. That's a weird one. An orb flying past at high speed. To me, that is not terrestrial of this earth. I think it's quite possibly extraterrestrial in origin, and they've been here for a long time, shaping our environment, so to speak. But like I said, I've got no proof. I'm just going by whatever's in this book, you know. And as far as I can make out, these clouds have been around since 1962. Yeah, right. I mean, I already spotted a iridescent cloud or rainbow cloud. I would say just a couple of months ago, which is weird. Soon after I bought this, after this book, I spotted it. I was, oh look, there's a rainbow cloud. What? You know, that's when I looked up. You know, it's like, come on, something is definitely weird going on. I mean, I've know it in my gut hunch that something's odd going on with the atmosphere and whatever. I mean, there's so much evidence now. You know, I don't know why people can't see sky trails or orbs flying around at high speeds, and I don't think commercial airline pilots can actually see it. I don't think, not when we're way up there. And the other day, I was waiting to go somewhere, and I saw a plane just take it off from the local airport near ours, and the cloud was here, and the plane was there, and the cloud reflected up onto the cloud, and you could see a mirror image on the cloud, which was really strange to see. As if that's the case, the clouds are reflective in nature. But like I said, where these clouds come from, I don't know. I mean, that's the first time I've seen that, and I'll show you which cloud it was. It was that one as well. That was reflective. You know, just a plane, ordinary looking plane, taken off from the nearest airport, which is a couple of miles away. But you always see him taking off and going into land. And what I saw, the cloud was here, the plane was here. It was going up into the cloud, and you could see the reflection from the plane as solid as you would look in the mirror. Now, that was really strange to see. I thought, how the hell did that happen? And to me, it's just one of the weirdest experiences I've seen from the ground. I mean, a plane flew up and it cast a reflection on a cloud. That stuff doesn't happen. Right, to this place anyway. Well, to my old place it never happened, but now it does. You can get reflection of objects in the sky from the clouds now. It's going to be really freaky for the next few months, like, I'll tell you that now. I mean, what's going to happen? You know, with all these sky trails and orbs flying around. And that's what I call them now, sky orbs. That's the only way to describe it, is sky orbs. I mean, I think I saw one not too long ago. Just zipping past the sky, and it was traveling at such a speed that it was no normal aircraft that was traveling that speed. It was going at least beyond Mach 7, to travel that distance in a short time. It was an invisible as well, so there was no trail going behind it. Well, there was a trail going behind it, but there was nothing in front of it. Nothing I could see, which is really strange to see. But like I said, I just had to air this one out because I'm really confused by all these clouds that are popping up all over the place. There wasn't this many when I was a kid. No, definitely not. There wasn't even this many until pre-2018, now alone 2,000 years ago. It's I just don't get it. Why is this book accurately predicting the clouds? I mean, surely these clouds have only been identified recently, right? That's what I thought. But nevertheless, I'm just going by what's in the book. This old book from 1962. And the way I found it was just a strange thing. But nevertheless, let me know what you guys think. Have you seen these clouds before, or they just appeared to you recently? You know what I mean? And you're not too sure what they are, but they look freaky as hell as well. But like I said, this is Max signing off. I'll catch you guys on the next weird one.